So guys, to get started, transferring an app from one console account to another, I'm going to show you guys step by step everything you need to understand. And if you want to transfer an app to someone, you have to let the person know. Let him know that, okay, you want to transfer an app to him, and if you follow your strategies, if you follow your tutorial, you understand. So what you have to do is to go to your Play console account. Like I say, I'll say play.google.com/console, and I'll log into my console account. So here's my console account. The next thing for you to do, click on the three lines at the top, and then from there you can see these are all my app section here, and you can see. So you have to scroll down towards setup. Click on setup, and then scroll down to app transfer. You can see app transfer. Click on app transfer. So we are about to transfer an app to someone now. So this section is divided into two: your transfer request and apps being transferred to you. You understand? So if someone is transferring an app to you, you still have to come to the app transfer page, and you come here and accept the request from the developer who is trying to transfer an app to your console account. And if you're the one transferring an app to someone, you come here and you click on transfer apps. So in as much as someone is transferring an app to you, you're going to see the request here, and you can click on accept. So without clicking on the accept, the app will not come to your console. But once you click on the accept, the person sending an app to you, you can accept it here and it will be live in your console. So app transfer, you can see. So now your transfer request, this is where you can transfer an app from your own console to another console. So click on transfer apps now. Once you click on transfer apps, it will bring you to a page, and you need to follow these strategies strictly. So here you can see transaction ID. Transaction ID is the, when you created a console account, you made a payment, right? You made a $25 payment, and that $25 payment, they will show you, they will let you know that you have a certain transaction ID. That's a unique ID for everyone or anyone who creates Google Play console account. Since you made the payment, you have your own certain ID. It's your unique ID. There's your ID card. So what's going to happen is that you have to give them this ID here before they can verify you. Is your own pass. So how can you get your transaction ID now? So click on this. Let's get a new tab. Click on this box at the top for us to get a new tab, and then click on new tab. You understand? Click on new tab. Once you click on new tab, you search for, let's search for pay.google.com. pay.google.com, right? So here is it. So click on this, pay.google.com. Make sure you are signing with the Google account you use for your Play console payment. So you can see here is my payment center, and you too will have it. So you can see payment center. Click on these three lines at the top. You see something like activity, right? So click on activity, and to bring you to this page, right? So this is the page where I made my payment for the list of payments I made. So you can see this $25 minus $25, it means console developer registration. You can see developer registration. So click on this, and to bring to this page, you can see. So this is the time I created my developer account and everything. So just scroll down. You can see here is my transaction ID. Transaction what ID? You got it here. So copy it. Let's copy it from here. You can see, let's copy it. Click on copy, and I've copied this stuff here down here now. So the next thing for us to do, I'll get back to this tab. Go click on the box at the top. Let's get back to the transfer page, the app we're trying to transfer. So let's paste in my transaction ID here. You can see my transaction ID is pasted. The next thing for us to do is simply to scroll down. This is where the issue comes in. For example, if you are transferring an app to a new developer account, they will ask you, you can see new developer account, right? So this one is a new developer account, and they say developer ID or app package. App package. So you can say app package name. So now they're asking for the transfer details. The person you want to transfer the app to, what is his developer ID or app package name? If the person doesn't have an app on Play Store, how can you get the package name? There's no way, right? And if the person just got the developer account for the first time, or if the person already have it, so this is what you need to do. Tell the person that you're trying to transfer an app to send you the developer ID. I will show you how you can get the developer ID. So let's click on this box, and then let's search for what developer ID is all about. You can see developer ID is what? Is your own console link. Your own console link, right? Your Play console link. Once you copy your Play console link, you will see something like play.google.com/console/u/developer digit. You can see. So this developer digit section is what? Is your own developer ID. So it's a 19-digit code. How can you get it? This is how you can get it. Let's get back to that page. You can see we need to paste in the developer ID here now. So tell the person you are trying to transfer an app to. For example, I'm trying to transfer an app to this guy currently, and I'm chatting with him. So tell the person to go to his console page. Tell the person to go to his Play console page. You can see this is the person, and even though he does not have any app at the moment, he doesn't have any app at the moment for us to get the package name. So you can see, let's scroll down, and you can see that search bar at the top. You can see the search bar, right? So tell him to copy the link from this search bar. Tell him to click on the search bar in his Play console dashboard and copy the link for you. Once the person copy the link for you, it's going to look like this. The link is going to look like this. You can see. So this is how the link is going to look like. You can see. So this is the link the guy sent to me, and I'll just copy this link now, and I'll get back to my notepad. You can see. Let's get to my notepad. This is how you can get the developer ID for the account you want to transfer the app to. So I've pasted it here. So here is it. So you can see I've pasted it here. So the next thing for me to do is to copy this digit here. You can see this 19-digit code. Copy the 19-digit code only, not the whole link, just the code. Avoid the slashes. You can see. So let's copy the code alone. You can see. So I'll click on copy. Now I've copied the 19-digit code now. So I can now get back to my console. I'll get back to my console. Make sure the person you are trying to transfer an app to is available. So let's paste in the developer ID for the person I'm trying to transfer an app to now. You can see I've pasted it. So once you paste it here, click on find, and automatically you can see this is the account. You can see they have found the account. So that means this is the account we're trying to transfer the app to. The next thing for us to do is what? New account transaction ID. You know, we have gotten our own transaction ID before. That is the ID card for making payments on Google, right? So you guys, you know how the process I passed through to get this code, right? You have to tell your person, your client, to go to pay.google.com, and they will have to, once they go to pay.google.com, something like this. Once they go to pay.google.com, you can see here, you can see they'll click on what? Activity. Once they click on activity, to bring them to the page here, and this page is going to display a lot of activities they have done. You ask them to click on the one that has $25. Once they click on this one, it will bring them to the console page. You can see, scroll down, tell them to copy you the transaction ID from their own account, that is from their own Google account. They will copy this thing for you. So that client, I told him, and he copied this thing for me. So you can see he copied his own for me. So I'm going to copy his own now from here. You can see, and I'll paste it. So let's copy it and paste, copy. Let's take it there, and let's get to my Chrome. Let's switch back to that page. You can see, and I'm going to paste the account transaction ID, that is for the person I'm transferring the app to. I'll paste it here. And now the next thing, now they'll ask you reason for transfer. So click on this, and you can see there are different reasons why you are trying to transfer an app. If your own is based on commercial agreement, based on business organization, and the likes. So I'll click on as part of business organization. I'll click on this second option. You see, transferring apps as part of what? Business reorganization. So I'm done. So business relationship, I'll click on none of the. You can see, let's click on this. They will give you different reasons. Is this new console account owned by a legal entity? Is it owned by the same parent company? Is your Play console and the console related? Is your own owned by their subsidiary? Is their own account owned by your own subsidiary? Just click on none of the above. If you don't click on none of the above, whatever happens to that account will happen to this account. So click on none of the above. You see? So now the next step for us to do is to add apps that you want to transfer. Click on add apps. And now, so you can search for the app here and then get the apps you want to transfer. So you can select multiple apps. That's the reason for the selection button there. So let's select the apps I want to transfer. I'll click on this, and I'll click on this also. So these are the two apps I want to transfer. I'll click on apply, and yeah, you can see. So these are the apps, and Google is going to review them before it get them transferred. So I'll click on review and transfer. So you can see, to transfer app, review details and accept agreement. You understand? So here is it. This techness here, I'm transferring to this new Play console account. You can see these are the reasons: business relationship, none of the above, apps to transfer. These are the apps to transfer, right? To transfer apps, you need to review them and accept agreements. You can see these are the apps I want to transfer. Just scroll down and accept the agreement. You can see these are agreement here. So click on. You have to read them through. You have to read them to understand. Though since you want to transfer an app, so I'll click on what? Agree and transfer. You can see I'm trying to transfer now. So they're going to submit a review. You can see your transfer request is here. Your transfer request. You can cancel transfer request. You can see. So we have a lot of what? Applications there to transfer. So you can see pending, and yeah, we are requesting now. So we requested this guy to what? To accept this application. We are transferring. These are the apps we want to transfer, right? So tell your client to go to their console page. Tell them to go to their console page, and then click on these three lines, and then they should go to setup, and then they should go to app transfer. Once they come to app transfer, they'll come to this page. They should scroll down. They'll see something like app being transferred to you. So they should come here and accept the request. Once they accept the request, the apps will be in their console. So let me tell my client that he should go to that page now, and yeah, we're good to go. So guys, if you scroll down, you can see that what? You can see this email. You requested to transfer app to Technesy, right? So they have sent him the email, and you go to that page now. Tell your client to go to their console. They should click on the three lines at the top. They should go to setup, and they should click on app transfer, and then they should scroll down to request, that is app transfer request, and they should accept the request. From there, the app will be live on their console. So let's wait for this guy to accept it now. Waiting for him to accept. So finally, guys, you can see the guy went to that page. He went to that page, and you can see Haroon Technologies want to transfer 2 apps to him. Apps being transferred to you. So this guy is going to click on this now. Click on this. You are going to see the request. Tell your client to click on this and then accept the request. Once they accept the request, the apps are going to be live on the console. So let's wait for that. Once your client scroll down, once you scroll down to that page, you have to tell him to click on the checkbox here. Once he clicks on the checkbox, these 2 buttons will be live. Like the reject button will be live and the agree and continue button will be live. So tell them to click on agree and transfer. So from there, the apps will be live on their console. Let's wait for this guy to agree. And yeah, he sent this. You can see he have click on this. So tell your client to click on agree and transfer. So the guy is going to transfer now and everything is going to be on his console. My clients have accepted he have agreed and continue, and yeah, the app got transferred to him now. You can see play console. They give me an email. Your app transfer requested have been accepted by Technesir today. You can see your app transfer requested have been accepted by Technesir, and yeah, so these are the 2 apps. The 2 apps are listed down there, and yeah, well, send an inbox message when the transfer is over. You can see, so they'll send you an inbox message when the transfer is complete. So currently the guy have accepted and they have transferred the app to him successfully. So these are how you need to deal with your client. So you can see apps being transferred are here. You have accepted. So this is the last screen any message that is going to be displayed to your client. They will tell him that you have accepted an app transfer from Haroon Technologies. You can see, so these are the games. So these are how it is. So now, so the app is going to be transferred to him automatically, and they will not be available on my own console account. They will be on his own console account. So this is a complete walkthrough on how to transfer an app from one console account to the other. You can click on dismiss and yeah, he's good to go. So these are the things going to be displayed to your clients. Just guide them on how to do all this stuff. You understand? So once you transfer the app, within few hours it will be transferred completely from your own console to another console. You know, they sent an email that if the transfer is over, they will let me know, right? Because currently they are still moving the app, so it will not be immediate. See, this is 3 days after, 2 to 3 days after I got this email just this morning. You can see. Let's check. You can see. So after 3 days, the app got transferred. Google Play, this email. Thank you for providing this stuff. You can see this one is the first one. Your transfer is complete. You can see. If you scroll down, you can see your transfer of app to Techneseed is complete. You can see. So it has been approved and the apps have been, completely transferred to the guys. So let's click on the email and see. So you can see it took them 2 to 3 days for them to send me an email. That means your app will take you within 2 to 3 days for the app to be transferred completely. You can see. So transfer request 48 working hours and cannot be expedited. So that's why. So now our app transfer is complete now, and yeah, I've sent the app to the guy and it's no longer in my console. Let's go to Play Store and search for the app and see whether it's my console or not. So look at the app over here. If you click on this, it's finally transferred to Techneseed. You can see. So this is the app, and if you click on the developer name, you can see this is the second app we transferred. So if you count, so this is a complete walkthrough on how to transfer an app from one console account to the other. If you enjoyed it, click on the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm Haroonsng from Haroon Codes. I'm signing out, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Peace.